Good morning, dear student. Our movements book is going on. We have completed our lesson 1, The Lost Child, and the second lesson is The Adventures of Toto. The Adventure of Toto is written by the great writer Ruskin Bond. Really, this is an interesting story of a mischievous pet monkey. The narrator's grandmother the narrator's grandfather loved animals and he brings home a pet monkey called Toto. The complete story revolves around Toto's constant nuisance and how he gets into trouble with his adventures. There are two characters in this story, Toto and grandfather. Grandfather is a pensioner who is fond of animals. Ultimately, he loses his patience with Toto and returns him. So now let's see the lesson. Grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. Bought means purchased. Okay. So one day grandfather was going in the market. He saw a Tonga driver and a Tonga driver having a monkey. He asked Tonga driver to sell the monkey and he agreed for that. Grandfather purchased Toto, the monkey, in 5 rupees. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough, and the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. Feeding trough. Feeding trough means a container containing food for the animal. A container containing food for the animal, especially for the horse. हॉर्स को जिसमें उसका फूड रखा जाता था, उस कंटेनर में वो टांगा ड्राइवर ने उस लिटिल रेड मंकी को बांध रखा था. और जो मंकी था looked so out of place there that the grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. Seeing him in such condition, Seeing him in such pitiable condition, grandfather decided to purchase Toto and to add the little fellow to his private zoo. He had a zoo in his own house. तो ग्रैंडफादर ने जब उस छोटे से रेड मंकी को उस टांगा ड्राइवर के एक उस कंटेनर में रखे देखा, कंटेनर जिसमें कि उस घोड़े का खाना था, उसमें ही उसको बांध रखा था मंकी के लिए, मंकी बेबी के लिए, और वो बेचारा उसमें से बाहर जिस तरह से देख रहा था, तो ग्रैंडफादर ने डिसाइड किया कि मैं इसे अपने जो प्राइवेट जो है उसमें ऐड करूंगा. टोटो वाज ए प्रेटी मंकी. He was a very pretty, very beautiful monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows. His eyes were very bright and his eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows. And his teeth, उसकी आंखें बहुत चमकीली थी, उसके दांत थे विच वर ए पर्ली वाइट. पर्ली मीन्स मोती, मोती की तरह, जेम्स की तरह उसके टीथ बिल्कुल वाइट थे. वर वेरी ऑफन डिस्प्लेड इन ए स्माइल दैट फ्राइटेंड द लाइफ आउट ऑफ ए एल्डरली एंग्लो इंडियन लेडीज. And were very often displayed. And whenever Toto used to smile, his teeth were visible, just like pearl, as white as a pearl. And it was sufficient to frighten means to afraid, to fear the life out of a elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. but his hands looked dried up. But his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. उसके बट his hands look dried up, उसके हाथ जो थे वो बिल्कुल ड्राइड अप थे, सूखे हुए से थे. एज दाउ मीन्स मानो की उन्हें बहुत सालों तक धूप में सुखाया गया हो. पिकल्ड मीन्स टू ड्राई, पिकल्ड मीन्स ड्राइड अप, सुखाना. Yet his fingers were quick and big, लेकिन उसकी जो फिंगर्स थी that were able to create mischief, and his tail, उसकी जो पूंछ थी, while adding to his good looks, grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks. ग्रैंडफादर इस बात में विश्वास करते थे कि किसी भी व्यक्ति में, किसी में भी अगर उसके एक टेल पूंछ लग जाए तो वो बहुत अच्छा लुक लगता है उसका. आल्सो सर्व्ड एज ए थर्ड हैंड, और उसकी जो टेल थी टोटो की वो उसके तीसरे हाथ का काम करती थी. He could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping up and delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. He could use it to hang from a branch. By using his tail, Toto was able to hang from a branch of a tree. He can easily hang, and it was capable of scooping up. Scooping means picking up, taking up. Scooping means picking up or taking up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. Whatsoever he was unable to catch by his hands, he used to catch it through his tail. So that's why his tail plays a role of his third hand. उसकी जो पूंछ थी इस तरह से उसका तीसरा हाथ थी. जिन चीजों को अपने हाथ से पिकअप नहीं कर पाता था उनके लिए अपनी टेल से वो सपोर्ट कर लेता था. Grandmother always fussed when grandfather brought home some new bird or animal. Whenever grandfather used to bring new bird or new animal at home, grandmother became angry. She became irritated at the moment seeing a new bird or seeing a new animal. First means irritate, anger. So it was decided that Toto's presence should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particularly good mood. That's why I and grandfather decided to keep the Toto's presence as a secret till the grandmother turns in a good mood. जब तक दादी माँ का मूड अच्छा नहीं हो तब तक टोटो की प्रेजेंस को सीक्रेट रखा जाएगा. ग्रैंडफादर एंड आई पुट हिम अवे इन ए लिटिल क्लोजेट. क्लोजेट मीन्स अलमीरा ओपनिंग इनटू माय बेडरूम wall, where he was tied securely, or so we thought, to a peg fastened into the wall. That's why it was decided that I and grandfather put Toto in a little closet that was opening into the narrator's bedroom. जो कि नरेटर के बेडरूम की दीवार की तरफ खुलती थी, उस क्लोसेट में उन्होंने उसे टाइट कर दिया. टाइड सिक्योरली, बड़ी सिक्योरिटी के साथ उसको बांधा, ऐसा हमने सोचा था. टू ए पैग फास्टन इनटू द वॉल. पैग मीन्स कील, फास्टन मीन्स बांधना, इनटू द वॉल, दीवार में एक कील थी उससे हमने उसे बांध दिया, पैक से खूंटी से हमने टोटो को बांध दिया था। A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release means to get free Toto, we found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. After few hours, when grandfather and I came back, we decided that now time is sufficient, so we should release him. We should get him free now. As soon as we went inside the room, what we saw, saying that we were shocked. Actually, grandfather has covered that piece of wall by an ornamental paper. A decorative paper was affixed there. एक बहुत ही सुंदर पेपर से उन्होंने उस दीवार को कुछ वक्त कवर कर रखा था. But now Toto has torn off that ornamental paper and the brick and the plaster was visible. उस जगह का जो प्लास्टर हटा हुआ था दीवार में, जो ईंट थी वो दिख रही थी, उसको कवर अप करने के लिए ग्रैंडफादर ने वहां पर एक बहुत सुंदर पेपर लगाया था. The peg in the wall had been wrenched from its socket. Wrenched means pulled out, बाहर निकाल देना. The peg means खूंटी, जो खूंटी थी वो दीवार में से उसके सॉकेट से बाहर निकाल दी गई थी. Wrenched खींच देना, बाहर निकाल देना, pulled out. And my school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in shreds. Shreds means pieces torn apart. तो वो खूंटी बांस पर निकली हुई थी. और सेकेंडली जो मेरा स्कूल ब्लेजर था वो पूरा फटा हुआ वहां पर पड़ा था. श्रेड मीन्स पीसेस टोर्न अपार्ट, उसको फाड़ देना. आई वंडर्ड व्हाट ग्रैंडमदर वुड से. नाउ आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड. What would be the reaction of grandmother seeing this sight? दादी माँ इस साइट को देखेंगी तो वो उनका रिएक्शन क्या होगा? I was badly shocked, but grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. But on the other hand, grandfather was in a jolly mood. He was very happy because seeing the mischievousness of Toto's, he was very happy. बड़े खुश थे, बोले टोटो ने हाँ ये शैतानी करी. It means he is okay. Grandfather remarked that he is clever. Given time, I am sure he could have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window. ग्रैंडफादर ने एक्सप्लेन किया, रियली टोटो इज वेरी क्लेवर. उसने शॉर्ट ऑफ पीरियड में, मुझे पूरा यकीन है, आई एम श्योर दैट कि उसने उस तुम्हारे ब्लेजर के फाड़े हुए पीस को उसने एक रोप की तरह से यूज करा होगा और विंडो से एस्केप टू रन अवे, भाग गया होगा, वहां से निकलकर एस्केप कर गया होगा. His presence in the house is still a secret. Even in the house, nobody knows about his presence. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarters. That's why Toto, I and grandfather put him in a big cage in the servants' quarter, where a number of grandfather's pets lived very sociably together. वहां सर्वेंट्स क्वार्टर में एक बड़ा पिंजरा था जिसमें कि ग्रैंडफादर के जितने भी पालतू जीव थे बहुत ही आपस में प्रेम से रहते थे. उसमें कौन कौन थे? अ टॉर्टोइज, ए पेयर ऑफ रैबिट्स, अ टेम स्क्वेरल एंड फॉर ए वाइल माय पेट गॉट. ये एनिमल्स थे उनके, ये एनिमल्स उन्होंने पाल रखे थे, उनके पेट थे. But the monkey would not allow any of his companions to sleep at night. But monkey was very mischievous and he did not permit to sleep anyone at that night. He went on disturbing them. He went on disturbing them. पूरी रात वो उन्हें परेशान करता रहा, उसने किसी को भी सोने नहीं दिया. So grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. That's why grandfather decided to carry him with him as he was going to receive, as he was going to withdraw his pension. He had to go to Dehradun the next day, so he decided that I will carry him with him. He decided to. Unfortunately, I could not accompany grandfather on that trip. Unluckily, I could not go with my grandfather on that journey, on that trip. But he told me about it afterwards. Later on, grandfather explained about this trip. A big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto. टोटो को रखने के लिए एक बड़ा काला कैनवास किट बैग रखा गया था. दिस विद सम स्ट्रॉ एट द बॉटम. नीचे उसमें कुछ स्ट्रॉ डाली गई, फूस डाला गया, घास फूस डाली गई थी. बिकॉज हिज न्यू अबाउट, अबाउट मीन्स हाउस, होम, ये उसका एक नया हाउस था. When the bag was closed, there was no escape, and after tightening the bag, there was no chance to escape for the Toto. When it was completely, he was completely put in that area. There was no chance to escape, there was no chance to get him free from that side. There was no way to run away. Toto could not get his hands through the opening, and the canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. Toto tried a lot to open the bag, but he could not do so. Even he tried to bite the canvas from his sharp teeth, but the canvas was more strong that he could not bite. His efforts to get out only had the effect of making the bag roll about on the floor or occasionally jump into the air. But he could do only one thing. वो केवल एक ही काम कर सकता था कि या तो वो बैग को रोल करे, लुढ़कता रहे बैग में, या ऑकेजनली उसमें जंप करे हवा में, तो वो उससे बैग उछले. बस इतना वो कर सकता था. एन एग्जीबिशन दैट अट्रैक्टेड ए क्यूरियस क्राउड ऑफ ऑनलुकर्स ऑन द देहरादून रेलवे स्टेशन, एंड ही वाज डूइंग सो. He was rolling the bag, he was trying to jump into the air, and seeing a jumping bag on the platform, a number of people, onlookers, crowd of onlookers means people, a number of people were watching such incident in a curious manner. वो सभी बड़े क्यूरियस थे, बड़े उत्सुक थे. बोले व्हाट इज इन दैट बैग दैट इज जंपिंग इन द एयर. Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur. But while grandfather was producing his ticket at the railway turnstile, Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. Saharanpur. Toto was in the bag till Saharanpur. As far as Saharanpur तक तो बैग में रहा. But when grandfather was showing his ticket at the railway turnstile, when grandfather was showing his ticket to the ticket collector at the exit gate. Turnstile means exit gate on the platform, that is called turnstile. So there is a ticket collector who used to check the tickets of the passengers. So while grandfather was showing his ticket at the railway exit gate, Toto suddenly poked his head. Suddenly Toto put out his head in the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. Grin means smiling with teeth. Showing teeth, he was smiling. Seeing the ticket collector, he smiled by showing his teeth. तो वहां जब दादाजी रेलवे टर्नस्टाइल पर रेलवे एग्जिट गेट पर अपना टिकट शो कर रहे थे, तभी अचानक टोटो ने अपना सर बैग से बाहर निकाला और टिकट कलेक्टर को देखकर एकदम अपने दांत उसको दिखा दिए. द पुअर मैन वाज टेकन अबैक. द पुअर मैन वाज टेकन अबैक. टेकन अबैक मीन्स शॉक्ड. टेकन अबैक मीन्स शॉक्ड. The ticket collector was badly shocked, but with great presence of mind and much to grandfather's annoyance, he said. With great presence of mind and much to grandfather's annoyance. Annoyance means irritation. टिकट कलेक्टर जो था वो वास्तव में ग्रैंडफादर के प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड की वजह से और उनके इरिटेशन की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान पैसे ही था. तो उसने कहा, सर यू हैव ए डॉग विद यू. तुम्हारे पास एक डॉग है. यू विल हैव टू पे फॉर इट अकॉर्डिंगली एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल्स यू हैव टू पे. तुम्हारे पास डॉगी है, डॉगी का जो अलग से चार्ज होता है वो तुम्हें पे करना होगा. इन वेन. इन वेन मीन्स यूजलेस, बेकार में, व्यर्थ में. In vain, without success. Did grandfather take Toto out of the bag? That's why grandfather taken out Toto of the bag. In vain did he try to prove that a monkey did not qualify as a dog, and grandfather tried his best by showing Toto to the ticket collector that it is a monkey, not a dog, or even as a quadruped. As a quadruped means any four-footed animal. Quadruped means four-footed animal, जिसके चार पैर होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं quadruped. ग्रैंडफादर ने बहुत समझाया कि ये चौपाया है, चार पैरों वाला है, लेकिन ये डॉगी नहीं है. Toto was classified a dog by the ticket collector, but the ticket collector was proving on behalf of himself that Toto is not a monkey, he is a dog, and 3 rupees was the sum handed over as his fare. That's why grandfather had to pay 3 rupees as a penalty, as a ticket fare for a dog. This was the incident happened at Saharanpur railway station. So dear student, this was the incident. Then grandfather, just to get his own back, took from his pocket out our pet tortoise and said, what must I pay for this since you charge for all animals? Grandfather irritate हो गए और उन्होंने अपनी पॉकेट से जो पेट टॉर्टॉइस था, पालतू कछुआ था, उसे निकाला और टिकट कलेक्टर को शो किया और उससे बोले कि व्हेन यू चार्ज फॉर ऑल, जब तुम सभी एनिमल्स का चार्ज लेते हो तो इस कछुए के लिए मुझे क्या पे करना पड़ेगा बताओ. आई एम रेडी टू पे. बिकॉज ही वॉज गेटिंग इरिटेट. Grandfather was getting irritated because he had to pay three rupees for a dog. But he had no dog, he had a monkey. He tried his best to explain the ticket collector, but he was not agreed to accept that. That's why, getting angry, getting irritated, he showed the tortoise and asked, what should I pay for this as you are charging for all animals? So, dear student, this is a very interesting story definitely. It shows the experience, as you know very well that in buses, in trains, pet animals are not permitted to carry. They are carried in some having some instructions as well. You can carry with them, but really you have to pay something for them, something as a charge. So that's why the ticket collector charged a monkey as a dog. Okay, so rest part will be done later on. It's sufficient for today. Have a nice day. Enjoy the day. Thank you and have a nice day. I hate.